Hey y'all, today we're going to show you how we make easy shreddable chicken in an electric pressure cooker.
All while having a whole lot of fun.
The sun's in my eyes.
Aww. Hey guys, welcome back to my camper kitchen. We are here to show you a super easy way to make shreddable chicken in an electric pressure cooker, and in our case, in our Ninja Foodi. So we are super excited to share with you guys how we make this. One of the reasons why we call this recipe in the crock pot, we call it butter chicken, but we're changing the title for the electric pressure cooker because people were getting confused.
That's not butter chicken. Well, ma'am, it's butter and it's chicken.
Well, but there is I believe, an Indian dish that is called butter chicken that it has a flavorful sauce and all that kind of stuff. And we were just like, no, this is just chicken cooked in butter.
Yeah.
So we didn't want to confuse people. The bottom line is,
well, if you want to continue to call it butter chicken,
sure,
we won't judge you.
No, but it's not the traditional dish that a lot of people think of when they search for that. So, but what we need is we just need some shreddable chicken to take with us because we are going to a lot of the national parks around here. And
the state parks, anywhere
yes,
we can see a view, and where we're at right now in Utah, oh, there's a view.
So we have lots of opportunity to be eating sandwiches, lunch meat, and that kind of thing, and we're kind of getting a little tired of that. So what we want to have is some shredded chicken on hand, so we can both eat it over salads or in
tortillas,
quesadillas, or those kinds of things. Or tomorrow, I think what I'm going to do is shred the chicken up with a little bit of bacon and add some ranch dressing and have chicken ranch wraps for lunch. So that's what we're going to do. And this is just an easy recipe to quickly make a whole bunch of shreddable chicken that you can keep in the fridge or freezer. And so to do that, we've got 3 pounds of frozen chicken thighs, and we're going to take it from frozen and put it under pressure for 10 minutes with our ingredients, and then it's going to give us a shreddable chicken.
Now, I want to apologize because usually right now is when we say we have chicken in an electric pressure cooker, and then there would be this little camera like right over here. Well, we've got one camera for right now, and
yeah.
So hey, we're roughing it,
well,
all of us.
Here we go.
Hey, there you go. See that? Chicken.
So we've already got frozen chicken thighs. These are boneless. And so to that, we're going to add a cup of chicken broth and a stick of butter. It's super simple. Then Mike, I'm going to let you salt and pepper things to taste.
Now again, like we talked before, under salt your stuff because you can always salt it more later and get what you want.
Yeah.
But I'll do 3 good pinches for that much chicken, and we'll probably end up adding a lot more later. And then of course the signature 13 twists of pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, hey Alicia, one for you, darling. All right.
So with that, as you guys know, a typical electric pressure cooker just has an electric pressure cooker lid. You see the Foodi has 2. We're not going to use the air crisping lid. For this, we're just going to use the pressure cooker lid. If I can get it on there. Maybe. There we go. I'm doing it backwards than how I would normally do it. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it under high pressure for 10 minutes.
Now, here's back home we did it for, is this the way we did it back home was for 10?
Mm-hmm.
We are in a higher altitude.
So we may have to do
here
it
in Utah. Like
12.
back home, I think our elevation was like 800 feet, and up here we're over 4,000. So it might take a little longer, but we'll start it off with 10.
Yep, and so you also want to pop your Foodi dial from vent to seal to keep it sealed, and then we will be back in a snap.
And we're going to eat dinner, y'all. And
show you how this is an easy shreddable dish.
In 3, 2, 1.
Letting off a little steam.
Ta-da! It's done. As you can see, she has now turned the vessel.
Yes,
so she can see what she's doing.
We've already released the pressure. so that we can just take that off of there.
Steamy.
And then all my
She's not going to pick it up and show you the pot now. It's kind of hot.
I'll show you. I don't know. I'm sure you can probably see how easy that is to just.
It's falling apart.
Shred it. So let's put
it on the plate and I'll show you.
Yep.
Check this out, y'all. Can you see? Yeah, you can see.
So I already told you what we're planning on doing is I'm gonna make bacon ranch wraps for lunch. For dinner tonight, I started kind of like looking at what all we have that we kind of need to use, and I have some tomato sauce in the refrigerator that's taking up a lot of space. So I boiled some macaroni. I'm going to mix that together. For those of you wondering, it's low carb macaroni.
It's good stuff.
And we're going to mix in the chicken. We're going to have like an Italian chicken kitchen sink kind of dish where I will sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top and say, ta-da! And y'all are going to think it's the best thing you ever ate, right?
Well, I'm sitting there shredding it. I want to eat it. I'm going to shred it with my teeth.
Yes, it's good as it is, too. I love the way that the flavor of this. Yep.
That would go good for chicken and noodles.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like, is the boiled chicken that you have with chicken and noodles.
Oh my gosh, that is so good.
Super, super tender. We like using chicken thighs because that
My
makes
house,
it...
double dip.
We like using chicken thighs because we just like the texture and all that kind of stuff. You can use chicken breasts. Time might be a little bit different. You know it's edible when it's...
Shreddable.
There we go. So if it's not done, just pop it back under pressure for a few more minutes. Like Mikey said, because we are at a higher altitude, I did bump it up to 12 minutes just to be safe. I can do that with chicken thighs because they're not gonna overcook too bad. They don't have the same issues that sometimes when you overcook a chicken breast. So, but if you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to become a part of our slow cooking family by clicking subscribe down below. And pardon him as he
I'm trying to get this done. I want to eat.
And if you want to be notified every time we upload a food or a travel video, click the ding-a-ling down below. That is the little bell that will notify you every time one of our videos goes live. But whatever you do, we hope you
Laugh often.
eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I'm flinging this chicken all over the table.
Yeah, let's be careful, dear. I want to, oh my.
If it hits the table, it hits my mouth.
Okay, I think you're done. We're going to have to get a bigger bowl for this. Cut.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click